This is how I remember you. May I walk in your shoes? May I wear that worn out coat that protected you from the cold? You stood tall throughout your life, kept a smile on your face, though life wasn't kind. It wasn't pleasing you. Oh, in her majesty she remained a queen self-proclaimed. How I honor you. Oh, in her majesty she remained a queen self-proclaimed. How I honor you. May I carry on your truth, your natural wisdom, your smooth, elegant way. You seem to play, the game of life so well. Only a woman of your power, oh, can tell. Oh, in her majesty she remained a queen self-proclaimed. How I honor you. Oh, in her majesty she remained a queen self-proclaimed. How I